In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and save your own theme for a Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Customizing a PowerPoint theme can really help you convey your message and ensure your presentation maintains that professional, cohesive look. Let's start by launching Microsoft PowerPoint. You can open a blank presentation, or if you prefer, select an existing presentation that you'd like to use as a base for your new theme. First, you'll want to navigate to the View tab. This is where you can get an overview of various layout options available in PowerPoint. Once you're there, go ahead and click on the Slide Master. This will take you to a special view known as the Slide Master view. Here you can make global changes to your entire presentation, so any modifications you make will be applied consistently across all slides. In the Slide Master view, it's time to get creative and customize your theme. A good place to start is with the fonts. You'll need to go to the Slide Master tab, look for fonts, and then choose from the predefined options, or even create a new font pair that matches the tone of your presentation. If you want to define or refine the colors used across your slides, simply click on Colors. You have the option to pick a preset or click Customize Colors to define your own palette. This adds a unique personality to your slides and ensures visual coherence. Next, you'll want to consider the backgrounds. You can do this by utilizing background styles, or if you're looking for something more specific, right click on the background of a slide and select Format Background. This allows you to adjust things like color, patterns, and images to perfectly suit your theme's aesthetics. Then have a look at your layouts, modify or delete any layouts that don't fit your theme, or add new ones if you require extra flexibility. Don't forget about the placeholders, which are crucial for structuring content on your slides. Ensure they fit your design by adding or adjusting title, content, image, and text placeholders as needed. Once you're satisfied with your theme's design, click Close Master View in the top right corner to return to the standard slide view. Now we need to save this wonderful creation. Head over to the Design tab. You're going to click the More arrow within the Themes group, which you'll find in the bottom right corner of the theme previews. Choose the option to Save Current Theme. In the save window that appears, give your theme a suitable name that you'll remember. This theme will save as a .thmx file in the default document themes folder on your computer. Finally, click Save, and there you have it. You've just created and saved your very own custom PowerPoint theme. With this newfound knowledge, you can ensure all your future presentations are polished, consistent, and tailored to your unique style. Thank you for watching, and happy presenting.